What's up, everyone? This video was recorded on July 25th, 2024. The current temperature is 74 Fahrenheit, 23 Celsius. And I'm going to be riding to the town area of Stockbridge on a foggy, rainy morning. I haven't done this before, but I just wanted to see how it was like. It's not really raining that hard, it's just a slight drizzle. Nothing too major, but nonetheless, if you absolutely have to commute out in these kind of conditions, how was it? And let's just see. Right now, we're currently on Highway 138, which is also known as Lake Spivey Parkway. Truck there. They're going straight. Let me show you this to the right over here. This property is abandoned. This used to be a modern Burger King, but as you see, there's a lot of weeds over here. The grass is overgrown and it's not a nice sight, but this is how it looks as of July 2024. They even have modern-ish panels there, but I hope it doesn't rust, but it just looks kind of abandoned over here. But that could probably be retrofitted to another restaurant. Gonna take a ride over here. Let me show you this over here too real quick. Gosh, look at that. This is literally dumping all that water. Hi, good morning. It's literally dumping all that water onto the street. That isn't watering the grass at all. That's just dumping a bunch of, oh gosh. Look at this. It's crazy. That's crazy with all that water. Gonna wipe off my lens as soon as I get to the stop light over there, or stop sign rather. They need to put a stop light over there. It would help, even if it wasn't used as much. I think they should probably still have a stop light over here. It's a gas station, it's a neighborhood, but it is what it is. Here in Stockbridge. Lens looks to be okay. That's good. I just looked at the screen, everything looks okay. You can tell that the rain is picking up though, however. Got some traffic on this road that's usually pretty quiet. Maybe it's picking up somewhat. It's actually starting to rain pretty decent now, as you see. Got a lot of traffic coming through here. You know, I'm gonna go to the right. I'm gonna make this fun. Let's ride down Flippin' Road real quick. This is an absolute extreme. Don't try this at home unless you absolutely want to. I do not recommend doing this, but it's just to show you guys Flippin' Road and really what needs to be improved here in the town of Stockbridge. But thankfully there are no cars behind me right at the moment, but as you see, there's a lot of traffic going the other way. I'll go behind you. All right, here we go. Not sure what's going on with the accelerator. Seems like it's wanting to move beyond my control. Gotta wipe off the lens. I see the water dropping on there, but it is what it is. It's complimentary of Flippin' Road that there has to be a water droplet on right about now. Very thank you, driver. Okay, let's clean off the lens real quick. We're gonna take the Reeves Creek Trail. The water droplet already left. Okay. Now we're taking the Reeves Creek Trail. Somebody left their sunglasses on the sign there. You can just cruise through here. Beautiful in the rain like this though, however, and thankfully it isn't too much heavier than this. They switched to metal bridges over here about 2 years ago, and these metal bridges is exactly what they needed on the Reeves Creek Trail here in Henry County. They had wooden over here, but the wooden didn't hold up over time so well. Parts of the bridge were missing and it was falling into disrepair. See a water droplet here. I'll do -0.6. That's cool. It's a little dark through here. Make sure the exposure is doing its thing. There we go. Water got in the lens there. On the screen, rather. The lens is fine. It looks beautiful over here, though. All this lush greenery. So I thought I'd come over here, but I had to take flippin' road. I was actually going to go through the other neighborhood, but I'm like, maybe I'll just go ahead and go straight. Then I changed my mind at the last second is what happened. Right now it's currently 7:47 a.m. It's super early in the morning, so I thought I'd go ahead and record a video, come out here and see how it looked. I'm like, it shouldn't have too much hard rain, but I'll take my chances. It'll make for an entertaining video. Hey, there's somebody else on the trail. Cool. Getting their early morning workout in. Okay. Hi. This bridge is holding up very well. It just has a bit of dirt on the railing there, but it's holding up very well. It'll do a lot better than obviously metal will do better than wood, and I'm so glad once again that they put metal bridging there and not wooden. This scenery is so pretty over here though. Ran over a rock there. It's a really pretty stream to the right. Look at that, cool. Sounds like you have a few frogs in the water there.
About to say those are trucks though. This is pretty over here. Looking around a whole lot right now. It's really nice. These trucks sounded like thunder, but thankfully it's just metal. Right now we're in the Memorial Park. It's named that because they're honoring people who served in the military over here, and it was a park dedicated to them, but it's connected to the Reeves Creek Trail. Shout out to the city of Stockbridge maintenance crew. I saw a truck there. City of Stockbridge truck. Henry County is really pretty. A lot of lush nature. It's just during the spring it's a headache. Almost a hydroplane there. Thank you so much. I'll go this way. It's a really good brakes on the scooter. A fire truck and train tracks to the right, freight rail lines. Make sure there are no cars behind me. Here's the Stockbridge Amphitheater across the street, and the town hall to the right. I'm going to come over here. I'm not going to be going over here, but there's the amphitheater. I'll do that in another video. Right now I'm going to go over to the Clark Community Park, which is just right up ahead to the right. A lot of rail fans will come over to this area to take train footage, understandably. Let's go to the right over here and see what this road is about. Saw a car come over here. I used to take this way to watch the trains to the right over here, but it's all the way overgrown now. Too many trees, but to take a shortcut to the park, I think there's a worker though that just had to go to that building. Here's the Clark Community Park, and we did it, guys. We kind of rode in the rain here and made it happen. Kind of made it happen. But that's the Ted Strickland Community Center, or no, Merle Manders Conference Center rather. Ted Strickland is in the town area itself. Okay, here's the Clark Community Park. Gonna ride through over here a bit and end the video. All right. If you guys enjoy that video, please give this video a like. Consider subscribing for more awesome content. And I will definitely see you all next time. Thanks for watching. And take care.